Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher Muhammad Ali Academy. I request all of you to participate in my online class. My dear participant, our class is not healed for pandemic coronavirus. That is why we are taking online class. So I request all of you to participate in my online class. My dear lovely viewer, I am going to a very important topics for you. Today I am discuss a very important lesson, transformation of sentence. It is very important lesson for any exam or any competition job in our real life. So I request all of you to participate my online class and try to understand what topics I am going to discuss. A lesson is going to discuss by me assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. How can we change or transfer in your real life? How many kinds of sentence according to meaning? We know there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning. Okay, so today's lesson is assertive to interrogative sentence. At first, we should know what is called assertive sentence. A sentence which indicates or expresses simple statement is called assertive sentence. And another sentence, interrogative sentence, we should know what is called interrogative sentence. A sentence which asks any question is called interrogative sentence. So my dear participant, we have got idea about assertive and interrogative sentence. Now I am going to discuss in details. I request all of you to get ready with your pen and khata so that you can write down your answer and apply in your real life, in your practical life for any competition or any exam. So no more talk. Now start our lesson. Okay? Now go to whiteboard. Assertive sentence. We know what is called assertive sentence and we also discuss interrogative sentence. At first, for example, he goes to school every day. This is assertive sentence. He goes to school every day. This is very simple sentence. My dear lovely here, try to understand how can we change assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. At first, we should take idea about verb. When we see go, but one. If you see some the third person single and one, we see go yes or is at the end of the main verb. So at the time of making interrogative sentence, you have to get idea this sentence, if the sentence affirmative, at the time of interrogative sentence, negative and interrogative. So, my dear participant, there is no auxiliary verb, main verb at the time of making interrogative sentence. We should check does not he go to school every day. My dear lovely word, try to understand at the time of making interrogative sentence, if the sentence affirmative, at the time of making interrogative sentence, answer must be negative and interrogative. Negative and interrogative sentence. Okay? According to transformation of sentence, we should keep the meaning, no chance of changing meaning of the sentence. That is why it is the rules of changing assertive to interrogative sentence at the time of making does not. He go to school every day. My dear lovely here, when you see verb present in indefinite tense, because this sentence there is no auxiliary verb at the time of changing interrogative sentence, we should take auxiliary verb does not, because we see es as the main verb at the end of the main verbs. So does not he go to school every day? Am I clear? Okay, thank you. My dear participant, try to understand. I am going to another points for you. My dear participant, now look, he went to school yesterday. Okay, yesterday, past form of time, and we say go down into here when past indefinite tense. At the time of making interrogative sentence, how can we change? Okay, if you see verb past tense at the time of making interrogative, we should check auxiliary verb as did not. As did not he go to school yesterday. Didn't he go to school yesterday? Okay? My dear learner, try to understand. When we say main verb past indefinite tense at the time of making interrogative sentence, we should check auxiliary verb did and the sentence affirmative at the time of interrogative making did not. Why did not? No sense of meaning the sentence according to transformation of sentence. That is why we should check did not he go to school yesterday. Okay? I hope you understand it clearly. Okay? My dear participant, I am going to discuss another example for you so that you can understand easily. We see the verb yes or yes at the end of the main verb. We check does not. If we see verb past indefinite tense at the time of making interrogative sentence, we use did not. But in another form, I am going to discuss. They play football. Here, my dear participant, play present indefinite tense. So, my dear participant, try to understand. They play football, but present form. At the time of making interrogative sentence, we should take do not. They play football. Okay. Don't they play football? Negative interrogative sentence. My dear participant, at the time of making assertive interrogative sentence, we should be careful in the meaning of the sentence. No sense of changing meaning of the sentence. That is why it is the rules of transformation of sentence. Am I clear? Okay. Now I am going to discuss another point for you so that you can understand it easily. I am going to discuss another points for you. My dear participant, I shall go there tomorrow. Okay? My dear participant, in this time we can see auxiliary verb shall. If you see auxiliary verb in the sentence, it is easy to change at the time of making indicative. Okay? This sentence is affirmative, so at the time of making indicative. Negative, because no sense of changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay? Now, shall not I go there tomorrow? Okay? Or we can say shan't. 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 Shan't I? Shan't I? In construction form we can say shall I go there tomorrow? In construction form you can use, we can write in construction form. Okay? Shall not or shall I go there tomorrow? Okay? My dear and lovely viewer, I hope you can understand it easily. Now I am going to give you another example for you. My dear lovely viewer, another example for you. Rani was making tea. Okay? Here auxiliary verb make was. So at the time I am making indicative sentence, wasn't Rani making tea? Okay? I hope you can understand easily, because at the time of making indicative sentence, no sense of change meaning of the sentence. That is why if the sentence affirmative at the time of making indicative sentence, negative and interrogative for keeping the meaning of the sentence. Okay? My dear lovely viewer, try to understand, and I am going to another points for you so that you can understand. My dear lovely viewer, try to understand. If you see another example, I have nothing to say. My dear lovely viewer, I have nothing to say. This sentence is negative. How can we change this sentence according to transformation of sentence? If this sentence is negative, when you see the sentence negative, you should write of the sentence very careful. Only the sentence indicative, not negative. Not negative. Okay? So, had I anything to say? My dear lovely, we are trying to understand. Nothing turn into here anything. Nothing negative, anything affirmative. You know, my dear participant, I have nothing to say. nothing to say. This is negative, and if you see the sentence negative, the in negative, only in negative. No need to write with negative because the sentence is negative. So have I anything to say? I hope you can understand it easily. In this way, you can change the sentence easily. Okay? I am going to give you another example for you, my dear participant. Now look. He is not happy. He is not happy at this time. Not here. There is negative sentence. So only is he happy at this time. Okay? Because the sentence is negative, so this sentence only negative. Okay? I hope you can understand it easily. I request all of my dear participants to apply this system in any examination or any real life or practical life, to apply this system. If you follow my class, and you can easily apply in a real life or any exam or any purposes. I hope you can understand my class clearly. If you do not understand any points, you comments. Next class I will discuss it in details. To your good help, I am going to close my online class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Puri kala hoy.